Welcome to the Amazir channel, your gateway to a world of knowledge and discovery. Unveiling the world's breathtaking destinations, from Santorini's enchanting sunsets to the majestic Great Wall of China. 1. Santorini, Greece. Known for its breathtaking sunsets and iconic blue-domed churches, Santorini offers stunning views of the Aegean Sea and picturesque whitewashed buildings perched on volcanic cliffs. 2. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. This tropical paradise in the South Pacific is famous for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, vibrant coral reefs, and overwater bungalows that provide a truly idyllic and luxurious getaway. 3. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. One of the world's most spectacular natural wonders, the Great Barrier Reef is a vast ecosystem teeming with colorful marine life. Snorkeling or diving here offers a mesmerizing experience. 4. Machu Picchu, Peru. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan city that offers breathtaking views of terraced fields and stone ruins. It is a fascinating archaeological site and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 5. The Maldives. With its pristine white sand beaches, turquoise lagoons, and luxurious resorts, the Maldives is a dream destination for relaxation and indulgence. It's an ideal place to unwind and immerse yourself in natural beauty. 6. The Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. Known for its incredible wildlife and annual migration of millions of wildebeest, the Serengeti offers a safari experience like no other. Witnessing the majestic African wildlife in their natural habitat is awe-inspiring. 7. The Taj Mahal, India. A masterpiece of architecture, the Taj Mahal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an enduring symbol of love. Its intricate marble design and stunning symmetry make it one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. 8. The Grand Canyon, USA. Carved by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon is a geological wonder that showcases millions of years of natural history. The vast expanse of layered rock formations and the sheer scale of the canyon are awe-inspiring. 9. The Northern Lights, Scandinavia. The mesmerizing natural phenomenon of the Northern Lights, or aurora borealis, illuminates the night sky with swirling ribbons of colorful light. Experiencing this ethereal spectacle is a bucket list item for many. 10. The Great Wall of China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most iconic man-made structures on Earth, the Great Wall of China stretches across thousands of miles, offering magnificent views of the surrounding countryside and ancient history. These are just a few examples of the countless beautiful tourist places in the world, each offering unique experiences and captivating natural or cultural wonders. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for your valuable viewership. Thank you for tuning in and being a part of our audience.